So let's see in this lesson how to greet in French. So we'll see few examples. The concept, and you will see, we'll start with the most formal way. Hello, how are you? Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Bonjour, comment allez-vous? So this is really the polite form. I mean, you can see that I'm using the vous form, so the polite you form, and then I'm putting aller, so the verb first, and after that I'm putting the subject. So by using this inversion thing, it means that we want to ask the question properly. So it's really a proper way to ask hello, how are you? Let's see the second one. Bonjour, vous allez comment? Sorry. Hello, how are you? It will be the same in English. It's the concept. So, bonjour, vous allez comment? So you can see that in that situation, I am using the structure. So first, bonjour, it's really nice. After that, subject, vous allez comment? So I'm finishing with this how. It makes the sentence or the question a bit less formal. Still, it's extremely polite, so no problem there. Bonjour, comment vas-tu? So as you can see, so now we're using this tu form. So what does it mean? It means that you're talking whether to a friend or then a colleague or then maybe family, someone from your family. So you are used to use this tu thing with the person. Don't start with the tu right away if you don't know the person. It might be a bit tricky. You don't really want to end up in strange situations. So go first for the vous. And after that, you will see that the person will invite you at one point to switch and to use tu. Okay? But it's like a ritual. It's like something that we need to do. So first you go with vous, and after that, you can use this bonjour, comment vas-tu once you have agreed together to use the tu. Bonjour, tu vas comment? So the same thing. I mean, we are using this informal you, and then as you can see, I'm keeping the same order, subject, verb. Bonjour, vous allez bien? Okay, so in that case, we're using another structure, but then as you can see, I'm using the vous, and it's quite polite. I mean, it's quite nice. It's not informal at all. Bonjour, tu vas bien? Same category here. I mean, as you can see, I'm using the tu, so it means that I know the person quite well. So this is another option. It's like a middle, something in the middle. So this ça va actually can be used whether you don't really know the person that well, and probably in most of the cases you will use vous, but then when you go for that, it's possible to use this ça va. Bonjour, ça va. Don't use that for your boss. Don't use that if there is a big difference in ranking between you and the person that you are talking to. Okay, this is my advice. But it also works for people, I mean, with whom you are extremely close and you're using this tu. So it's an option. It goes both ways, but definitely not for people. I mean, if it's really formal, don't go for that. And the last one, bonjour, ça va bien? So same thing here. I mean, it will work for people, I mean, who are not that close to you. You're using the vous, but they're not really your boss, and people who are close to you. Voilà.